In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu Plus Live TV, so you can enjoy both on-demand content and live television seamlessly. Let's get started. To start watching Hulu Plus Live TV, follow these steps. Subscribe to Hulu Plus Live TV. If you haven't already, sign up for a Hulu Plus Live TV subscription. This plan combines Hulu's on-demand library with access to live TV channels like ESPN, CNN, Fox, ABC, NBC, and more. Download the Hulu app. Install the Hulu app on your preferred device: smartphone, tablet, smart TV, Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or gaming console. You can also use the Hulu website on your computer. Log in to your account. Open the Hulu app or website and log in with your account credentials. If you're a new subscriber, create an account during the sign-up process. Access live TV. Once logged in, navigate to the live TV section in the app or website. Here, you'll find a guide with all the available live channels. Browse the schedule or search for specific shows or events to watch. Stream on-demand content. In addition to live TV, you can browse Hulu's extensive library of on-demand movies, shows, and original series. Use the search bar or explore categories to find something to watch. Record shows with Cloud DVR. Hulu plus Live TV includes a Cloud DVR feature that lets you record live shows and watch them later. Simply click the record button next to a program, and it will be saved for up to 50 hours, or more with an enhanced DVR upgrade. Stream anywhere. You can stream Hulu plus Live TV on multiple devices, even outside your home, as long as you have an internet connection. Download content for offline viewing if you're traveling without Wi-Fi. For the best experience, ensure your internet connection is stable and adjust your streaming quality in the settings if needed. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streaming Hulu Plus Live TV.